Start your short break at the Caribbean-themed Splash Landings Hotel, where the sun shines every day and the fun never stops. While Mum and Dad check in, the kids can check out the fantastically fun features of this tropical-themed hotel. Dive straight into your splash-tastic stay and add on a visit to the Alton Towers water park. There's no end to the fun you can have. Ride the water coaster and slides, make a splash and have a blast in this wacky water park. But make sure you listen out for the bell and get ready for a super soaking as the dipping bucket creates a whopping waterfall. Then satisfy those post-swimming hunger pangs and dine with a twist at the UK's first amazing roller coaster restaurant, where your meal tackles a tornado track. Then it's time to take to the tracks yourself. Head back to your beach coma-themed room, unpack your party clothes and get ready for a tropical take on family fun. Choose from a huge selection of Margarita's culinary creations inspired by food from around the world at Flambeau's Exotic Feast. Then continue the party with entertainment in Margarita's bar and dance the night away at the Calypso Disco. And your Caribbean holiday wouldn't be complete without a family selfie. Say cheese! There's plenty to choose from at the breakfast buffet, so make sure you fill up on all your favourites. Then head to the rides and beat the queues with exclusive early ride time, giving you an hour's early access to the fun and thrills of the theme park. Book now for your splash-tastic Alton Towers adventure. We hope to see you soon!